వందే శంభుముమాపతిం సురగురుం వందే జగత్కారణం వందే పన్నగభూషణం శశిధరం వందే పశూనాం పతిం వందే సూర్య శశాంకవన్నినయనం వందే ముకుంద ప్రియం వందే భక్తజన ఆశ్రయం చ వరదం వందే భక్తజన ఆశ్రయం చ వరదం వందే శివం శంకరం. Friends, as we have seen, Swami Vivekananda as a yogi and as a patriotic monk of this country was on that lone rock at the southernmost tip of this country, meditating on Mother Bharat, meditating on motherland. He found out two causes already on the first 2 days and the remedial measures. Our princes and pandits were flattered. Therefore, yielding to the flattery and the gifts offered by the foreigners, they sold away our country. That's the first cause. Let us not be fascinated by the Western gifts, Western commodities. Let us depend upon our own products. Swadeshi vastu, Videsha vastu bahishkarana, Swadesha vastu avishkarana. The first cause for our fall is fascination for the West, aping the West, accepting the gifts, temptations to enjoy the luxurious life offered by the West. And the remedy is, let us be patriotic, let us use the Indian make. Second reason for our fall is our cowardice, our timidity, our fear. When the foreigner brought the bullets, aimed them at us, we fell at his feet. We did what he asked us to do. We were the traitors. We were made to be the traitors. We forgot our patriotism. We gave up our love for the motherland. We yielded to the threats. We were at the feet of the West as Maricha was. Therefore, Swami Vivekananda is very particular that we should be Indian in blood, Indian in outlook, Indian in make, and Indian in bravery. The third cause for our fall is our casteism. We considered some of our brothers as untouchables. We insulted them. We humiliated them. We hated them. And they became our enemies. In the Mahabharata, Karna is the son of Kunti Devi. Pandavas too are the children of Kunti Devi. To be truthful, to be frank, Karna is the senior most of the children. Karna was born earlier than Dharmaraj to Mother Kunti. Similarly, there are many people born to Mother India. All are the children of Mother Bharat. But some of them have been placed on a lower pedestal. Some have risen to the top pedestal. Pandavas did not know Karna to be their brother. This Karna was brought up as a Sutaputra, as the son of a charioteer, as a person belonging to the low caste, whereas Pandavas were considered to be Kshatriyas, Karna was not considered. But in their blood, there is Kunti Devi's blood. Every person born on the soil of India has the blood of Mother Bharat. But some of us assume powers, superiority, think that the others are inferior to us. This led to untouchability. Karna could not have a respectable place in society. Wherever he went, he was shouted down, hooted down, he was pulled down and he was thrown out. Karna went to Parshuram, the great master of archery. Parshuram did not admit him because Karna belonged to a low caste. Karna resorted to telling a lie. He told that he belonged to the higher caste. Parshuram taught, thinking that Karna was of noble lineage. When he came to know that he was no more belonging to the higher society, he cursed Karna. All the education that Karna learnt was of no avail. How many people are being pushed down in the name of caste in our country? Many people do not have access to the educational institutions. Many people do not have access to certain people. There is discrimination. There is a type of humiliation heaped on the people of lower caste, but they are all the children of Mother Bharat. As Karna is also a son of Mother Kunti. This Karna, after his education, came to Hastinapur on a particular day. The Pandavas and the Kauravas were exhibiting their talents in archery. Bhishma, Drona, Kripacharya, Dhritarashtra and a host of elders were there on the platform, observing, appreciating the talents of the Pandava and Kaurava brothers belonging to the Kshatriya community. At a particular point of time, when Arjuna was making feats, was showing his abilities in archery, talents in archery, Karna came to the forefront and said, I too can show the similar talent, perhaps the greater talent. And then the custodians of society, the government of the land, the elders of the place asked Karna, what is your caste? What is your parentage? Who is your father? Who is your mother? Do you belong to the Kshatriya community? And Karna was unable to answer. He said he was the son of a charioteer. He was a Sutaputra. Sutaputra is the person who is the son of a particular class of society which is far below the Kshatriya community. Kshatriyas are holding the upper hand. Karna was insulted. Arjuna is a Kshatriya. Pandavas and Kauravas are Kshatriyas. They belong to the royal family. They belong to the higher community. You, Karna, you are a small person. You are not worthy of fighting or challenging, competing with the Pandavas or Kauravas. You have no place here. You cannot enter the educational institution, you cannot enter the palaces, you cannot enter the government, you cannot enter any place of status. This was the damage done by the caste system in our country. And similarly now, when the foreigner came, he found the caste system to be rampant in our country. Some of the people were hooted down. In the villages, certain people could not come and draw water from the common well. Even water was denied. Even in the rivers, they could not take bath or take water in the ghat which was meant for the higher classes of society. Everywhere there was demarcation. Everywhere there was discrimination. They were insulted and humiliated by the people belonging to the upper caste. Certain states in this country were very, very bad. Swami Vivekananda went round the country, found the ill treatment meted out to the people belonging to the lower strata of society. They were treated worse than animals. They were treated like the animals. Untouchability was rampant. The foreigner came. Duryodhana in the story of Karna came. When Karna was not given the privilege or opportunity to take part in the competition, Duryodhana arrived on the scene. He brought a crown with him. He placed it on the head of Karna. My dear Karna, you are now a person of higher caste. I will make you a Kshatriya. With this crown on your head, I make you the king of Angarajya. You are now the ruler. You are now a king. You have the status. You are Kshatriya. Duryodhana seized the opportunity. He is a cheap politician. He elevated the status of Karna and befriended him. Karna was given a recognition. He was given a status. He was given a position. He was given respectable treatment. And therefore, Karna joined the hands of Duryodhana, a cheap politician and a foreigner. His own kith and kin, Karna's own kith and kin are the Pandavas. The blood of the Pandavas and the blood of Karna are same, the blood of Kunti Devi. Similarly, all of us in India are having the blood of Mother Bharat. But some of us are considered to be high, some of us are considered to be low. If it is for management and administration, maybe it can be tolerated. But it's a clear discrimination to humiliate some, to make some people untouchables. This was a blemish in our country, a black mark in our country. This was observed by the foreigner. He came, looked at the untouchables, gave them a hat, gave them a suit, gave them shoes, gave them necktie, gave them a status, gave them a position. And these untouchables, having enjoyed the status conferred on them by the foreigner, became enemies to us. Today, India is facing a very strange situation. Our own brothers are our own enemies. Divide and rule. Foreigner came, found out our minus points, found out our weaknesses, found out our caste system, and as Karna was befriended by Duryodhana, as Karna was given a royal status by Duryodhana, our own brothers who were considered to be untouchables were given a status by the foreigners. Today, they all became our enemies for the fall of this country. Internal wrangles, internal problems, internal quarrels, internal misunderstandings were all caused by the casteism and the consequent discrimination. Foreigner exploited our weakness. Duryodhana exploited the weakness of the caste system, and Karna became an enemy. He fought for the fall of Pandavas. Similarly, there are many people who are fighting, who are challenging, who are taking up weapons for the fall of the remaining brothers, for the fall of the country. This is self-deception. It is a type of suicidal tendency. This is the third cause discovered by Swami Vivekananda. Like Shelya, we sold away our country because we were tempted by flattery. Like Maricha, we worked for the fall of our country, yielding to the fears of death, threats of death from the foreigner Ravana. And the third cause, we have become our own enemies because of the caste system. What is the method? What is the remedy? Treat everyone as your brother. All are Indians. All are children of Mother Bharat. Let us be united. Let us be integrated. Let not the caste system bring in discrimination. The brotherhood is the most essential remedy. Let us be strong. Let us be bold. Let us be united. These are the remedies suggested by Swami Vivekananda as a yogi and as a patriotic monk, sitting on that lone rock at the southernmost tip of this country on the 25th, 26th, 27th of December 1892. May we all, in the footprints of Swami Vivekananda, overcome the defects, establish the patriotic fervor, and be the great united Indian Republic. Om Namah Shri Yatirajaya Vivekananda Suraye Satchit Sukhaswarupaya Satchit Sukhaswarupaya Swamine Tapaharine Swamine Tapaharine.